Let's get into why you should be at the Institute Summit. First off, we have a phenomenal lineup of speakers. Kevin Brown, Chip Eichelberger, Shasta Nelson, just to name a few of the awesome keynote speakers, including experts like Michael Smith and Cecil Bullard. These keynote speakers were specially handpicked and curated to give you what you need to be successful in 2023 and the future. We're talking about retaining top talent and attracting top talent to growing your businesses and taking advantage of the opportunities that are happening in the industry right now, as well as developing your management and leadership skills to their fullest. Our belief is that every shop deserves to reach their full potential, and that's what this entire summit is about. And of course, our entire team is excited to see you all there in St. Pete.
I'm excited to see everybody in St. Pete's. The Institute has put together so much awesome stuff. We're gonna have such a great time. I'll see you at the summit.
I look forward to seeing everyone at the Institute Summit in sunny Florida. We're gonna have some great training and some great fun. Look forward to seeing you there.
Hey guys, we are so excited to see you in Florida. Without you, this event would not be possible.
I'm excited and I am looking forward to connecting with you guys at the summit.
I am so excited for this event to come together and to get to finally put some of your names to your faces and be in the same room with everyone, but especially learn from industry leaders. It's going to be such an amazing event and I cannot wait.
I'm so excited to see you at the summit. We are going to have a fantastic time. I'm very much looking forward to meet all of our group members and the attendees that are coming. We're going to have great speakers and an absolute blast.
Hi everybody, it's been 5 long years since our last all-group meeting in Las Vegas, and I'm excited to kick off 2023 with a bang at the Institute Summit. And I'm really looking forward to seeing all of you there.
I'm excited to meet you in Florida at the Institute Summit.
I'm really looking forward to seeing you at the Institute Summit and working with some of the top industry leaders in the industry. We'll see you there.
So let's sum it up. You get to experience some phenomenal keynote speakers. You get to bump elbows with some of the best top performing shops in the industry. You get to have fun with engaging activities, eat some really good food, and walk away with what you need to take your shop to the next level. We hope to see you in sunny St. Pete. Register in the link below, or you can visit wearetheinstitute.com/institute-summit.